In this tutorial, I'll show you how to find Halal ETFs on Trading 212. By the end, you'll be able to locate specific Shariah-compliant ETFs, check their documentation, and either buy shares directly or add them to a pie for automated investing. First, open the Trading 212 app or go to the web platform and log into your account. Look at the top of the screen and make sure you're in the Invest account, not CFD. If you see CFD, switch to Invest before continuing. This ensures you're dealing with exchange-traded funds rather than leveraged contracts. Next, use the search function. Tap or click the search icon at the top. In the search bar, start typing the ticker symbols or keywords one by one. Type HLAL and select Wahid FTS EUSA Shariah ETF from the results. Now type SPUS to bring up SP Funds S and P500 Sharia Industry Exclusions ETF. Type SPSK to find SP Funds Dow Jones Global Sukuk ETF, which covers Islamic bonds. Type ISDW or ISDU to see the iShares MSCI World Islamic ETF and iShares MSCI USA Islamic ETF. Finally, type IGDA to locate the iShares MSCI Global Islamic ETF. As you enter each ticker, pause briefly on the ETF page so you can recognize the fund name, the provider, and the basic summary shown on screen. From here, verify compliance for your needs. Open the ETFs page and look for the Fund Documents section. Click Documents or Key Information to open the KIID, which stands for Key Investor Information Document. The KIID summarizes the fund's objectives, strategy, fees, and the index it tracks. Review the methodology to confirm it follows Sharia screening, typically excluding conventional finance, alcohol, gambling, and other restricted sectors, and allowing sectors like technology. If the ETF tracks an Islamic index, you should see that clearly stated. Take a moment to check the holdings breakdown and exclusions so you're confident it aligns with your ethical requirements. Close the document when you're done and return to the ETF page. Once that's done, you can either buy the ETF directly or add it to a pie for automated investing. To buy directly, select the ETF, tap Buy, enter the amount or number of shares, and review the order details on screen. Make sure the ticker and fund name match what you searched for. When you're ready, confirm the order. Trading 212 will process the purchase at the next available price according to your chosen order type. If you prefer recurring or diversified investing, add the ETF to a custom pie instead. On the ETF page, choose Add to Pie. Here, select an existing custom pie or create a new one and include the ETF in your allocation. Saving the pie will prepare it for automated investing according to your settings. Now repeat the same approach for the other tickers as needed. Use the search icon, type the symbol, open the ETF page and review the KIID for each fund so you confirm Shariah compliance before you invest. When you're confident, either buy shares directly or add each ETF to your pie. If you're creating a diversified Islamic portfolio, include more than one of the ETFs you searched so your pie reflects your preferred regions or asset types, such as equity and sukuk. At this point, you found the Halal ETFs on Trading 212 by searching for HLAL, SPUS, SPSK, ISDW or ISDU, and IGDA, reviewed their documentation for compliance, and either purchased them or added them to a custom pie for automated investing. Your setup is complete and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.